Welcome to our channel. If you're having trouble pairing your Fire TV remote, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to pair or repair your Fire TV remote. Let's get started. 1. Insert batteries into your remote. First, ensure that the batteries are properly inserted into your Fire TV remote. Make sure the batteries are fresh and correctly placed, positive side up. 2. Turn on your Fire TV. Plug your Fire TV into your TV and turn it on. Wait for the device to boot up. 3. Pair the remote with your Fire TV. Automatic pairing. Your Fire TV remote should automatically pair with the device when you turn it on for the first time. If it's not pairing automatically, follow the steps below. 4. Manually pair your remote. Step 1. Hold down the home button on your Fire TV remote for about 10 seconds. Step 2. Wait for a message on your TV screen that says, "Your remote is paired." The remote should now be successfully paired with your Fire TV. 5. If the remote is not pairing, check batteries. Ensure the batteries are correctly inserted and have power. If they're low, replace them with fresh batteries. Restart your Fire TV. Unplug your Fire TV for 30 seconds and plug it back in. This can help reset the device. Use the Fire TV app. If the remote still isn't working, you can use the Fire TV Remote app, available on iOS and Android, to control your device temporarily while troubleshooting. 6. Repairing the remote. If your remote was previously paired but has stopped working, unpair it first. Step 1. Press and hold the home button and the back button at the same time for about 10 seconds. Step 2. This will unpair the remote from the Fire TV. Afterward, repeat the pairing process. Hold the home button for 10 seconds. 7. Pairing a new remote. If you're adding a new remote to your Fire TV, repeat the pairing process above. Your Fire TV should recognize the new remote and pair it automatically. Once paired, you're all set to navigate your Fire TV, adjust settings, and stream your favorite content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Fire TV tips and troubleshooting guides.